Hi everyone, how's it going? In this video I want to show you a really cool tool for you so you can do SEO audits really easily. So I built this tool for you and I put it on a subdomain of my main domain, and yeah, this tool is completely free. You don't have to pay anything, you don't have to make an account. You can make an account, but you don't force to make an account. So I want to show you real quick how this tool works. So yeah, why did I build this tool? So I do a web design and search engine optimization for my clients, and yeah, I need a tool to do the basic to do a basic SEO audit or a technical SEO audit. And so all the tools out there, when you Google for an SEO audit tool, then you will always find paid tools or tools that are restricted in some way. And this is why I built this tool, and I made it completely free, so you can use it as often as you want. Yeah, so right now this tool is live. It's on my subdomain. I will put the link to this tool in the video description down below. And now I want to show you real quick how this tool is working. So yeah, let us make a test site here, or let us choose a test site here. So I Googled Italian restaurant in Paris. So let's see here. Yeah, of course, I don't think that's the best keyword to search for, because there's all these bigger sites here, TripAdvisor, and I want to see a single Italian restaurant website. So maybe what this here? God damn it! Don't know why this is. Okay, maybe this is not good. Okay, let's make another search. Italian restaurant in Texas. Yeah, I think this is better because yeah, it's in French, so I cannot speak French. So I think this is better if we search for an Italian restaurant in Texas, so then we understand the language of the website. So okay, then Orlando's. What this here? So let's check out this website. Okay, looks good. Okay, not too much on the website. So yeah, I like the design of the website is okay. Yeah, but okay, let's copy the website URL and let's paste it in our handy dandy tool, https orlando.com. Let's click on review. Excuse me. And yeah, now it's take a little bit, because the tool analyzed the complete site, and it will tell you all the results. It will give you an SEO score based on your on-page SEO. And also, if you have some errors on your website, or some the website has to be improved, the tool will also show you excuse me. The tool will show you some tips how you can improve this. And here you can see normally we have a preview of the website. I don't know why this is not working, so yeah, I have to fix this. But I think in the next days, I think I will fix this. Then yeah, the preview of the website. You can see the preview of the website here. And also you can download the report, the complete report. You can click here on download report, and then a PDF will be generated, and you can download the PDF completely for free. And yeah, print it out or store it on your PC. So this is a little advertisement of my own website, of my own company. And then, okay, so the website has an on-page SEO score for 72. This is not too bad. Let's see what the website has here. Okay, so here you can see the title tag. The title tag is okay for the website. Then this website has a meta description. I don't know if this meta description is any good or not, but it's okay. And here you can see here's the first issue they have on their website, or the first major problem they have on their website, because here you can see H1, H2, H3, and here you can see they have 4 H1 on the website, and this is not good. So yeah, you only have to have 1 H1 on your website on each page, and yeah, you can have as many H2s and H3s as you want, but only one H1 heading tag. So this means, yeah, they have to in order to make their website SEO better, they have to remove some of their H1s. So, and here you can see here's the how important this is. So this is really important. And here you can see if you click on the little on these icons here, then you can see the tooltip will pop out. And here you can see the tips. The tool shows you exactly what you have to do in order to make your on-page SEO better. And yeah, this is, I think it's really, really good. Here you can see the Google snippet, the preview of your website or of this website. Here you can see how this website, or if you analyze your website, how this will look in Google, in the Google search. And here you can see the image alt attribute. So here you can see they did a good job. They have 18 images on the website, and every image has an alt tag. So this is really good. Here you can see the keywords. For which keywords or which keyword they are using. I don't think these keywords are the best. Maybe they should use better keywords. Okay, so and here we have some functions that where you have to log in. So you have to create. You can create your own account if you want to see the keyword. If you want to see more about the keyword consistency here, then you can sign in or make an account. You can click here, or you can go to the top and then you can click on sign up, and then you can really quick create your own account here. And yeah, so it's completely free. Okay, then let's go on. So here you can see a bit of text to HTML ratio, and here you can see gzip, and this is okay. So they have an XML sitemap. So if they don't have a sitemap, here you can see then when you click, then the tool shows you what the sitemap can do for you, and why is the sitemap important. And here you can see they don't have a robot.txt. This is not so good. Then again, you can click on the tooltips, and then yeah, the tool shows you how to fix this and why a robot.txt is important, and so on and so on. So yeah, I think yeah, that's it for the video. So you can see the tool has many more things to offer. Usability, the tool analyzes the usability of your website, if it's mobile friendly, what technology is used, and so on and so forth. And yeah, so here you can see the page speed, for example. The page speed of this site is really good. They have a 90 out of 100. So this is really good. You can see the page speed is working. If you want to check your page speed, then yeah, use my tool. Link to the tool in the video description, like I said. So, and yeah, by the way, if you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. So let's go on here. So you can see how comfortable this tool is. You can see all these insight about a website or a web app. You can see the mobile view, how the website or how your website will look on mobile. This is really nice. Then yeah, here you have some more tips. If this is your website, then you can click here and see what you can improve in order to improve your on-page SEO, and so on and so on. Here you can see the estimated site worth, what the site is worth right now based on the traffic and on the ranking and on the on-page score. So you can see right now it's worth $60, and yeah, you can take it with a grain of salt. So, and yeah, here you can see if you sign in to the tool. I don't know why I am right now signed out, but yeah, if you sign in, then you can see where the visitors for this website came from, the exact locations, and so on and so on. Here you can see the links of the website. You can see if the website has broken links and so on. Yeah, I think this tool is really good. And yeah, you can also download the full report. You can click here on the little cloud icon on the download report button here, and then you can download the PDF report. This is really handy if you want to hand it over to your client or want to print it out or something like this. Then yeah, download the report. And you can also, if you have two similar sites, then you can compare these sites to each other. So you can, for example, this specific restaurant compared to restaurant B, and then you can see which page is better in on-page SEO, which page is yeah, ranks better. And yeah, my dog is behind me. He makes a little bit noise. And yeah, so yeah, and then you can share it. I think yeah, let me know in the comments what you are or do you like this tool. So let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, so use this tool, play around with this tool. Like I said, this tool is completely free. You can use it as often as you want. If you want to have these special features enabled, then you have to make an account, but the account is completely free. Only you have to provide your email address. And so because this takes a little bit of yeah, of the server, and this is why for these specific functions you have to make and create an account and provide your email. Okay, yeah, I think that's it for the video. So if you like the video, if you learned something new, if you like the tool, then yeah, please press the like button. And also if you want to see more from about SEO and web design and so on and so forth, then subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will publish more and more videos about SEO and how to do on-page SEO, how to optimize a website, how to grow your traffic, how to increase your traffic and so on. Yeah, so then thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.